How to enable screen capture on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to General. Inside General, right over here you should see the option or the feature where it says Screen Capture. But if that feature is not available to you, then it might be because your software is not up to date. You must have iOS 26 in order for this feature to appear on a device. So in order to make sure, you need to head over to Software Update right over here. Wait for a while for it to load. Well, you can see I haven't updated to iOS 26. That's why the option is not available. But if the feature is available to you, then simply head over to it and toggle it on. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.